So I'm going to attempt to unlock this key. Like I said, I've had it for about a month now. Or even fit in the hole. This is pretty standard at this point. I've only had it, like I said, for about a month. And I can't even put the key in to unlock the damn thing. Point is, usually it takes me about a good 3 or so minutes filling with this thing. I'm gonna order a new one, or when I mean new one, I mean completely from a different company, because this is not resistant at all. Not rust resistant at all. I can't get it out.
This Hapleby bike lock has been a great purchase. It feels super sturdy and secure, which gives me confidence every time I leave my bike outside. The cable is thick and flexible, making it easy to wrap around different spots like bike racks, fences, or posts. The locking mechanism works smoothly, and I really appreciate that it comes with 2 keys. It's lightweight enough to carry in my backpack, but still feels strong and reliable. Overall, this lock gives me peace of mind and does exactly what I need it to do. Highly recommend it if you're looking for solid protection at a great price.
This is my favorite lock that I got from Amazon. This is the lock that I use every day to lock my scooter bike to make sure nobody takes it. And it's really strong lock, and it uses real good, and I really like it. And it's one of my favorite colors. It's black, it's strong, and it's really good.